Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with part 2 of the Temu haul that I have. Now, they did reach out to me and ask me to choose a certain amount of products so that I can review them and show them to you. Let's go ahead and see what I got. One of the things you have to realize about the Temu website, it is huge. Anything that you can think of is probably on it. It might remind you of Wish a little bit, and they have flash sales that last a certain period of time, and you can take advantage of additional savings during those flash sales. But let's go ahead and see the couple items in this video that I picked. So the first thing is this. This is in black. This is like an organizer that you can put in the trunk of your car. I got it for, well, no, it retails for $5.67. I was looking for measurements. There aren't any. And it is, you know, those little baskets that you can get at the dollar store for storing things. That's what this is like. So it's a cloth. It has 3 compartments. Really big. You can fit a lot of things in there. But I got it for my husband because he has stuff in his SUV that slides around in the back, and I thought this would help prevent that. So I got that for $5.49. Now the next thing, this is called a cat pillow, and they come in a variety of colors. I think there's 4 colors to choose from, but they just pick one for you. So this is a cat toy, and it retails for $1.39. Let's check it out. Ooh. I think she might have fun with that. And if she doesn't like it, I will use it to dust. But it feels very, very soft. It's fully stuffed. I don't hear a squeaker in it, but this will be a fun toy for her. Or one of the dogs, whichever. And the last thing is this carrier. This is a light blue pet carrier. So one of my Chihuahuas is getting kind of old, and he really depends on us. And there's going to come a time really soon that I'm going to have to start carrying that guy everywhere. So to be hands-free, I thought something like this would be good. So this one is in blue. And just trying to figure it out here. Let's go ahead and open it. I think the strap might be inside. So the strap is inside, and we're just gonna clip it in place. I have to make sure it's not twisted. Okay. And you can adjust it. And then it has this string, which I think is supposed to be in front. Hold on. Got to always figure things out when you first get them. Okay. Let me clip that again. And then we have quite a large opening. He'll definitely fit in there. The bottom spreads out a bit. This is in a size medium. I thought the small was going to be just too small. So this would be good for a smaller dog or even a cat. So we do this to close them in, and then secure that. And we even have an adjustment for the hole. This is where their head hangs out. So you can make it tighter for a smaller dog so they don't hop out. And then we carry them just like that. Which one of you is going to be my guinea pig? And this might be for a toy or something to clip on inside there. I'm gonna go find my little Chihuahua. I'll be right back. So Mickey, my little Mickey, the smallest Chihuahua, would not cooperate. He would not get in the bag. So I chose my Becca Boo, and she is all the way in here. She fits really well. It's comfortable on the shoulder. Now, she weighs, I would say, 10 pounds, 9 pounds. 9 pounds was her last weigh-in. And she fits in here perfectly. Look at that. So, yeah, I like it. It'd be easier to take them into the vet and everything. So, yes, I'm happy I got this. Now we're going to let her out. We're going to take that off. Open this all the way. Where's the handle? And we just unzip it, take her head out. And there we go. Thank you, Boo. Thank you, Boo Boo. So, yep. So that'll come in very handy for the time that he's going to need it. So that is what I have for you for part 2 of this series. Keep an eye out for part 3, and I am so glad that you came by today. I appreciate your support, and I will see you soon.